PixieBrix is a low-code platform to customize any web interface. You can integrate PixieBrix with the leading RPA tools to embed them into platforms like Salesforce, Workday, or internal web apps. Doing so enables seamless attended automation and gives more end users access to RPA than ever before. Here are 2 quick demos that show how this works with Automation Anywhere. In this first demo, we'll demonstrate a financial services workflow that involves using unattended automation to print mortgage documents at various bank branches. Here's a familiar interface, Salesforce Service Console. To trigger our workflow, we used PixieBrix to add this Print Documents button. Although it looks like a native Salesforce element, it actually renders in Chrome and requires no changes to the underlying application. When we click the button, PixieBrix extracts certain case context. For this example, we've configured it to pull the case number and some attachments. In the PixieBrix pop-up form, we select the bank branch where we want to print the documents, and then choose the correct printer. As you can see, this invokes a bot, which fetches the attachments from Salesforce and routes them to the printer. Now, I'll spend a minute showing you the authorship experience in the PixieBrix page editor, which lives right here in the Chrome Dev Tools. Step 1. Add a button by clicking an existing button on the page. We can easily customize the button label and icon. Step 2. Add a data reader. In this case, I've pre-configured this sales case data reader to extract the information we need, including case number, attachments, and case subject. Step 3. Configure the pop-up form, which is quick to do without writing any code. I'm hard-coding a drop-down with printer options, but I could also use a bot to fetch input options and dynamically display them to the user in our form. Step 4. Add the Run Automation Anywhere bot brick, which uses a service configuration I've set up centrally for the entire organization to use. I'll configure the bot with the context from my data reader brick I added in Step 2, as well as user inputs from the pop-up form I configured in Step 3. And that's it. I'm good to test it out. And it worked. In this second demo, we'll share how you can use PixieBrix to seamlessly interact with ARI from any web app. We'll demonstrate this through an ARI process that involves provisioning new user accounts as part of an employee onboarding workflow. First, we can use hotkeys to pop up the PixieBrix quick bar, where we can choose from a menu of ARI processes that display based on which page we're viewing. We'll search for the correct process, provision accounts, and click Enter to create the ARI request, which uses context from the page like employee name and email as inputs to the request. We receive a notification once the request is created to stay in sync with ARI. And we can see the request status in the PixieBrix sidebar, which is available on any page. With the sidebar, you can create custom interactive panels that are based on the page you're viewing. In this example, we'll assume the IT manager approves the request inside the ARI interface. As you can see, we receive confirmation that the request was approved in the sidebar on the original page. In summary, by extending ARI into the HR system with PixieBrix, we made it easier for the HR team to kick off and stay on top of processes that involve other systems and stakeholders.